Okay, morning and welcome back to the pub, which is our product update briefing. This week I'm joined by Meave. Welcome to the pub.
Thank you, Adam. I've been patiently waiting for my invitation.
Yeah, it's good to have you. So just a few updates to whiz through this week, and we'll jump straight in. The first one we're going to talk about is file uploads on the Breeze Assistant mobile app. So this has now gone live, and as it says on the tin, you can now upload files from the Breeze app straight from your phone. So we thought this was a good one for sales reps that are out on the road. Like we thought of a client of ours where they're kind of in like building control, and you might want to take photos on site and upload that straight into HubSpot. Save having to send it via an email to then upload. So you can all now do that all straight from the app. Yeah, quite a nice and easy one. Next on our list is scan and redact sensitive data. So for enterprise, I believe only, yes. So for enterprise portals, you can have access to sensitive data settings, and they just released this public beta for scanning and redacting sensitive data. So you can now go back over the last 60 days and scan for sensitive data, and then set it as sensitive if you hadn't already done it. So yeah, a good one to be able to go back in your data. What do you think of that one?
Yeah, I mean, like it says in the update, it's good for data hygiene as well. So keeping the portal nice and clean, up to date.
Indeed. Another nice and simple one is around restoring deleted contacts, which I thought of a client where I wish this was this had come out a few months ago, but where they deleted some contacts. But yeah, so you can now filter on your deleted contacts to restore them, and you can delete them based off of a workflow. So you're not actually restoring contacts within a workflow, you're restoring contacts if they've been deleted by a specific workflow. So it just makes it a lot easier than having to work it out on a date, and then just in case other people have deleted contacts within that date as well. So yeah, I guess another good one for data hygiene.
Yeah, can save a lot of time as well.
Indeed, all about saving time. And I'll pass this one over to you, as this is very much your bag, with some update to lead scoring, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, so what this update is doing is it's allowing you to identify the pages that have impacted people in a specific lifecycle stage. So using the little drop down in the goal stage, you can choose your lifecycle stage that you want to see. And then what that's going to do is it's going to show you all the URLs that people in that stage have visited. And it's going to give you a breakdown if they're high, low, or medium impacting. So it's basically helping you take the guesswork out of your scoring, and it's allowing you to create a more accurate system.
Yeah, I thought this one was really cool because so it's basically showing you which pages are converting those lifecycle stages. So yeah, it's really, really cool. And that is in a public beta, so everyone should be able to get instant access to that, and it's available to pro and enterprise, so pretty much everybody. So yeah, really good update.
Yeah, and it can be used on the combined score as well, not just the engagement score.
Yeah, that is cracking. And our last one is on sequence unenrollment triggers. So previously kind of everybody from a company would unenroll from a sequence if the settings were if somebody replied from the company. You can now change it so that it's either the specific contact or it unrolls all of the contacts from the company. This just gives a lot more flexibility to reps. I was just thinking, if you're targeting like a large company, sometimes you might want the other contacts to continue in a sequence even if one person's replied. So this allows you to now do that. So yeah, a good update for sequences there. But yeah, a real short and sweet pub this week, but some good updates there. I think the lead scoring one was my favourite.
Me too.
I'm sure that was yours too.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's all for this week. And yeah, thanks for joining us in the pub, Meave.
Yeah, thank you for having me, Adam.
Oh, good. Yeah, go again next week. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.